of time. Closing my heart because it won't happen again. When I show my colors and all is taken for granted. Boundaries are skyrocket high. Not to be a but only to survive. It will take effort, time, and genuine feelings to let me open up and show you what really is. My character, my heart, soul, and mind can be an astounding world, a chaos, but full of life. Yet, you're only allowed to see when I know you mean well and truly want me to be happy. Therefore, it can seem like a tremendous course of time. But I promise, when I let you in, I care about you all my life.